From old packaging to new packaging. Sunsilk Orange Shampoo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To this video, alin kung yung mag-hair magka-compare yung old tsaka new packaging yung Sunsilk Orange Shampoo. Ito siya. Alin yung old, alin yung new packaging yung sachet. Ito si new packaging yung Sunsilk. Sunsilk Corporation Shampoo, 30% more damage resistance radiation. Okay. Nabasahin naman sa likod. Damage restoration with active infusion. A blend with keratin, almond oil, plus vitamin C. Here series the signs of damage from the 1% living here full of life and necessary soft. Yung baba, yung packaging yun, wala siyang max calcium keratin. Tapos na since 2016. Wala na. Tapos na mga See damage restoration with active infusion since 2022 until 2026. Next tayo ay si new packaging. Yan. Yung logo, Sunsilk. Up to 200% healthier looking hair. Damage restore shampoo. Peptide repair complex 3%. Babasahin ng likod sa new packaging. Sunsilk Damage Restore Shampoo, up to 200% healthy looking hair. Supercharged with 3% peptide repair complex, a powerful mix with peptide, vitamin C, and collagen that helps repair the signs of damage. Transform your hair in one wash. Mabango sa buhok. Ginamit ko yung conditioner. Ginamit ko conditioner. Mabango sa buhok. Nakatapos yung Sunsilk Orange yung shampoo. Ito siya. Cream Silk Damage Control Vitamin Boost Conditioner. Enriched with pro vitamin B5 and rosemary oil. Ano siya guys? Maganda sa buhok. Maganda sa buhok yung Sunsilk Orange tsaka Cream Silk Blue. Yung amoy niya, ang bango. Ang bango yung shampoo. Ano naman? alam, yung last year, napaplancho yung buhok. Yung ano, napuputan yung ano, Jollibee. Kasi may birthday, yung 1 years old. Yung sa birthday. Sa birthday party, may sayaw. Yan yung nakita ng your pictures ng view street ng buhok. And yung pa-plancho ng buhok. And then, since June, and ang mamrerepan yung buhok ko from Asta or Bansalam. Tapos na reban naman siya shampoo. Yun naman yung result ko. Yung may bagong ribbon. Wag niyong siya shampoo sa buhok. Conditioner lang. Dapat. Ay, since for him. Maganda wag yung shampoo sa buhok. Magiging ba? Dalagas ng buhok ko. Nagmakdadry yan. Yung last year, 2018, nabibleach yung buhok. Ete. Since 2018, pampahighlight yung buhok, yung color violet, ano pa, yung ano, gray, ano pa, yung red ng buhok, ano, cellophane, yung burgundy red from EPSA. Ano, mahal yun sa Quiapo. Yung malayo dyan ng punta. And after ribbon, mag-cellophane. And then mag-highlights yung buhok. And as one. Wag nang siya shampoo sa bagong ribbon and cellophane. Tapos conditioner dapat. Mas malambot. Malambot ng buhok ko. And then yung highlight sa buhok, yung ginamit ng yung pahalo sa developer and bleaching powder, yung color blue bleaching powder. Yung ganyan siya. Dito. Just ganyan. Tapos na dito. Bibleach yung buhok ko and then dito sa yung last year pa. Years ago. And then nakadamage yung buhok, nakadamage ng nagda-dry. 3 years yung damage. 3 years na damage. Kasi magda-dry, magra-wrap, ganon. Dapat mag-shampoo ng everyday. Conditioner. And wala nang damage. Pinansin mo and tapos lalagay ng yung argan oil from Bramwood. Tapos one pump, tapos Ganun. And may freeze control yun. Para na-restrict ang buhok. And then, yun. At protect sa damage or dry and drop. And wala. Mga split ends natin. Ganun. Yeah. Hey guys, maraming salamat po. Like, share, subscribe your channel, escape na notification bell. Maraming salamat. Bye.